皆さんこんにちは。ようこそトラベルメーカー TV へ。先週はバルセロナに旅行に行ってたんですけども、今週はグラナダに来ました。グラナダも、スペインの中でも次ぐ結構有名な観光スポットです。で今日はなんか学校のツアーで参加してるので、いろんな留学生が来て一緒に街を探索します。で今日はたくさん外国人いるんで全部英語で話したいと思います。 OK で字幕を今日は頑張ってつけるので字幕をつけてみてください。 Let's go! Alright, so right now I having a very huge church right now in Granada, and usually the lady behind me, they give it to the Mary the flower, and they will see the handwriting. So once you take it, you have to pay money. So this is happening, right? So when you come here, be careful about it. And now we're gonna go entrance to the church, which is the biggest one, and maybe it should be free, but I guess we have to pay €5 for entry. And you will see this is a really huge one. So we will check it out and I will see the inside. So now we are Moroccan street. There's a bunch of the souvenir shop, and taste is pretty Morocco. Even here it's Granada because of some I don't know the history much, but there's what?
Ottoman Empire.
Ottoman Empire or something. Ottoman. Well, something. Okay, I will translate later. But anyway, look, there's a bunch of the street. This is so cool, isn't it? It's pretty cool. Alright, so now there's something happening. So we will see. Maybe the circus? Because people having a balloon. Oh, there's a Mickey Mouse. That's a fucking weird one. Oh, YouTube.
You can't say it. You're gonna get demonetized. You're gonna have to edit that out.
Oh shit.
You and that.
I will just beep. But look at the Mickey Mouse. But if you take photo with Mickey Mouse, you have to pay money differently. But look, there's circus. Look at this.
No te quiero. Fuera de tontería, el último aplauso para todos.
Solo en mi cuarto, en un rincón, apurando un paso.
Hello, so we are now heading to the very traditional restaurant in Granada. So basically, the tapas, like a small dishes. So usually in Granada, once you get the one drink, like whatever drinks, juice, cerveza, like a beer or wine, you will get the free tapas. That's pretty nice, isn't it? So usually free tapas is a pretty big deal. Sometimes like a shrimps, sometimes bread, sometimes like a ham or small snacks. So once you get the drink and you can get the one tapas for free. So most of the shop, it is true, and even you order coffee, you will get the one tapas as well. So now I'm heading to the place, so I will show you and how does it work. Okay, let's check it out. Hi, welcome back. We are now in the San Nicolas, which is a little bit the mountain. So if you walk about 30 minutes from the city center, you are able to see the good view to the Alhambra. And it's if you come there on sunset, you will be see like a really great view. But it should be like go earlier because there's so many people waiting it and difficult to see it. And yeah, we are just walking toward this San Nicolas, and this is a place. Really? So this is the way to go. And 結婚式 wedding now. Sorry. はい、ということで今グラナダの頂上に来ています。Right, so now I am in the top of the mountain of Granada, and you can see the beautiful castles, and it's right now it's sunset time, so you can see it's a really beautiful one. It's music, it's pretty annoying, but look, it's beautiful. It's pretty far away, so we just try to go closer, and you will be able to see the castle. That's beautiful. It's now music going on, so that's pretty annoying, but at the same time you can see that view. That's amazing. It's pretty far away from the city center. You have to walk about 30 minutes, but it's okay. Like if you want to see this view, you have to come here around in 7 or 8 in the summertime. So today is September, so it should be like 7 or 8 the sunset time. It's beautiful, and there's a bunch of the music going on there, and you can get the beer as well. So it's a really beautiful place, and you have to visit this one. This is like a one must thing to go. So yeah, it's pretty fun, and just music going on. It's a fiesta right now, but you will see it. And here is our friends. Hi. Yeah, so we Granada and with Tinto de Verano. Yeah, this is only $2.50. If you want to drink this one in the restaurant, you have to pay like a $4 or $5. Oh, that's way too close. But anyway, please come to here. There's another friends. Ah. Okay, so yeah, I'm enjoying so much. Yeah, and afterwards I'm going to go to the tapas place to get the dinner, and hopefully I can find a good club to dance as well. Alright, so we will see it. Check it out.